3-step solid waste management for septic tank longevity. A septic tank is a vital part of any home's wastewater system, and its health directly affects both your finances and the environment. Poor solid waste management can cause blockages, costly repairs, and shorten the system's lifespan. By following 3 simple steps, you can ensure your septic tank lasts for decades while avoiding unnecessary problems. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Be careful with waste disposal. Only biodegradable materials should enter your septic tank. Non-biodegradable items such as plastics, sanitary products, and diapers cause clogs and strain the system. Likewise, pouring grease, oils, or strong chemicals down the drain harms the bacteria that break down waste. Always dispose of fats in separate containers and avoid antibacterial cleaners that disrupt the tank's natural balance. 2. Pump and inspect regularly. Even with careful use, solids slowly build up in every septic tank. If ignored, sludge can leak into the drain field, creating severe damage. Most households should schedule professional pumping every 3 to 5 years, depending on usage. Regular inspections also help detect early warning signs like foul odors, slow drains, or standing water, allowing for quick fixes before they escalate. 3. Control water usage. Excessive water flow dilutes the system and pushes solids into the drain field. To prevent overload, use low-flow fixtures, spread out laundry loads, and fix leaking taps promptly. Smart water management not only protects the septic tank but also reduces utility costs. Solid waste management is essential for septic tank longevity. By disposing of waste responsibly, maintaining a pumping schedule, and conserving water, you protect your system and avoid expensive repairs. A disciplined approach ensures your septic tank runs efficiently and serves your household for years to come. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.